A few super easy home decor DIYs. All right, so I'm gonna take for this first one, and I'm gonna take and place just two objects together, two bowls, a cup, whichever I choose. I did end up going with the Dollar Tree items, so they're glass, but you can use a combo, you can use plastic, you can use whatever you like. I painted one white, one black with spray paint. You can paint them both the same color. You can do this in a bunch of different ways. You can also take one bowl and fill it and have like a candle. Once everything dried, I hit it with this stone spray paint just to add some texture. You could do a different texture combo on this. For the black one, I did spray paint it again black because I didn't want the speckles on there. I just wanted the texture. And then I put them together, bottom side to bottom side. So it is that quick, that simple. But like I said, if you want to make a candle, you can fill that top bowl with wax. I wouldn't spray paint the inside if I was going to do it with the wax. I would probably use one of those black bowls from Dollar Tree. But this is how it came out. So easy, so simple, and so quick. And it's a cute little modern piece that you can do with only a few items from Dollar Tree. Now for this one, another one from Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has these really cool shaped candle holders. So they're for the small candle holders. And you can take and you can do this in a bunch of different combos. You can do this in like a color block look where you put the two different colors together. You can do the same ones together. You can do a bunch of different combos. And the cool thing about this, when you put them together, you will have a reversible candle holder. So I took and I glued, and again, I'm doing it bottom side to bottom side for this right here. I ended up using the same colors on the same colors just to make it easy and simple. And then once that dries, you do have a reversible candle holder. So you can use either side of these, and you can even do these higher up. You can make one a little lower, one a little higher by just adding another candle holder to this. So that was it for that one. So quick, so simple, and all Dollar Tree items. This one right here, I'm using bowls from Target or Walmart. But they have these bowls, they are 50 cents. So they have them at both Target and Walmart. They come in a bunch of different colors. If you didn't want to have to paint these, you can just find the right color combo for what you want. I'm going to, again, glue them together, bottom side to bottom side, and you can do a mix and match of these. You can do different shapes, different sizes. You can even do like a big serving bowl for this one right here. But I did these two flat ones together and then one flat one in regular shape bowl. Again, I'm just going to hit it with some spray paint, one white, one black, and that is it. My spray paint came out kind of textured, but that worked out in my favor for that one. This one, another easy one, two Dollar Tree items, a glass cup and a glass bowl. Again, I'm just going to glue them together and then place them together bottom side to bottom side, wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to do like kind of a mercury glass look on this one right here. Unfortunately, after I had spray painted it, it did break. But I just did another one, but mixture of water and vinegar, and then that's to get the mercury glass look. You'll spray paint that on, or with a water bottle you'll put that on, and then immediately apply the spray paint, and you see it'll start to bubble, and you'll have that mercury glass look, and then you can let that dry and you're done. But like I said, mine broke. I dropped it when I was bringing it in, so I had to do another one. So this is how that one turned out. But if you like, give a big old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.